Welcome to Skin Laser Science. Today, in the 5th episode of our skincare ingredient series, we're diving deep into another superstar ingredient, niacinamide. Whether you're new to this versatile vitamin or want to understand how it can improve your skin, this episode will explain everything you need to know about niacinamide's benefits, how it works, and how to incorporate it into your routine for healthier, glowing skin. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3 or nicotinamide, is a water-soluble vitamin that offers a wide range of skincare benefits. It's celebrated for its ability to strengthen the skin barrier, improve uneven skin tone, reduce fine lines, and calm inflammation. Suitable for almost all skin types, niacinamide is a gentle yet powerful ingredient that addresses multiple skin concerns at once. One of the key benefits of niacinamide is its ability to boost the skin's natural barrier function. It helps increase the production of ceramides, lipids that keep the skin hydrated and protected from environmental stressors like pollution and harsh weather. This makes niacinamide especially beneficial for dry or sensitive skin, as it helps lock in moisture and reduce redness. Niacinamide is also well known for its brightening effects. It inhibits the transfer of melanin within the skin, which helps fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation over time. This makes it a popular choice for those dealing with uneven skin tone, sunspots, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from acne. Another remarkable property of niacinamide is its anti-inflammatory effect. It soothes irritated skin, making it ideal for acne-prone or rosacea-affected skin. Studies show that niacinamide can reduce redness and blotchiness, calming flare-ups and supporting overall skin health. Niacinamide also plays a role in regulating sebum production, which can help reduce excess oiliness and minimize the appearance of pores. This makes it a favorite among those with oily or combination skin types. In terms of compatibility, niacinamide is incredibly versatile. It pairs well with most other skincare ingredients, including vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, retinol, and peptides. This makes it easy to incorporate into both morning and evening skincare routines. Scientific research supports niacinamide's benefits. Clinical studies demonstrate its ability to improve skin elasticity, enhance barrier function, reduce wrinkles, and even out skin tone. It's a well-tolerated ingredient with minimal risk of irritation, even at concentrations between 2% and 10%. When choosing niacinamide products, serums and moisturizers are the most common formats. Start with lower concentrations if you have sensitive skin, and gradually increase as tolerated. Niacinamide can be used daily and is suitable for all ages and skin types. In summary, niacinamide is a multitasking ingredient that strengthens, brightens, calms, and balances the skin. Whether you want to reduce redness, fade dark spots, control oil, or improve skin texture, niacinamide offers a gentle yet effective solution. Thank you for watching this episode of Skin Laser Science. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your questions or favorite niacinamide products in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Take care of your skin and see you in the next episode.